Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your iPad. The only way to enjoy Roblox on your Apple tablet is by downloading its official application. First, make sure your iPad has enough storage space, typically around 250 megabytes for the initial download, and a reliable internet connection. This ensures a seamless experience as you explore the vast world of Roblox, connecting with millions of other players, and diving into countless user-created games and experiences. To get started, simply open the App Store on your iPad. You'll find its icon on your home screen. Once inside, locate the search bar, usually positioned at the top right, and type in Roblox. When the Roblox application appears in the search results, tap the Get button. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID to authorize the free download. The app will then begin downloading and installing automatically onto your device. After the Roblox application has finished installing, tap its icon on your home screen to launch it. You will then be presented with two options: either log in if you already have an account or sign up to create a brand new one. If you're new, follow the simple on-screen instructions to register, choosing a unique username and a strong password. It's crucial to remember these details, as they are your key to accessing all the fun Roblox has to offer. With your account set up and logged in, you're ready to explore the expansive world of Roblox. The home screen will display thousands of diverse user-created games and experiences. Simply tap on any game icon that catches your eye to see more details, and then join its server. You'll use intuitive on-screen controls to move your character, interact with objects, and chat with other players. Get ready to connect with friends and dive into endless creative adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.